Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do a Sink Strainer Pour. I will use sky blue light, ultramarine blue, titanium white, Prussian phthalo and aqua flash. Have 5 colors, so I will start with aqua here, and I will use a split cup to pour paint on to keep it a little more separated. They will mix anyway because of the strainer, so I don't want to put them in the cup and then pour, you know, a layered cup, because they will mix already in the cup. That's why I kind of want to have them in a split cup before I will pour them on. Okie doke. This is just a sink strainer, and I'm reusing my canvas, and I will pour just a little bit of this aqua. And my pouring medium for today is glue pouring medium. It's 70% PVA glue, 30% water mixed with paints in 1:1 ratio and water to consistency. When you use glue pouring medium, it's always nice to mix them the day before, because it's kind of bubbly, but you know, I didn't have time for that today, so I will just pour this in circles. I will wait for a second. There is a ton of cells in this. That's why I'm not the fan of glue pouring medium. But if you are just playing in your studio and just having fun, you know, you don't go for kind of a gallery quality, or how can I say, you can definitely play with glue and just enjoy playing with paint. So I will and I dripped. See a ton of air bubbles. Okay, I will just spin this. Maybe some paint on the corners. I want to spin this bottom part a little bit more, so I just put it a little more to that side, because I want that one thing to go over. It was a product of me drip with I was just, you know, dragging this because it was that drip that really didn't like it, so I needed to kind of mask it a little bit, or how can I say, and some cells are popping through that I didn't mean to have. But as I said, with glue pouring medium, you can get some reaction just by using it. We will see how this will dry. Maybe I chose the colors that are too similar, but I really wanted to have that blue feel, or how can I say, and that aqua flash that it's in there will create some, you know, you see those cells just popping through here. We will see what this will, how this will look like when dry. I don't know. Not sure about it at all for now. So stay tuned for the dried results. So here she is dry, and as I thought, it just probably too blue. But I decided that I will publish this anyway, to show you that with this technique it's probably nicer to use more kind of contrasting colors, or how can I say, or even if the blues were maybe more, I don't know, dark and light and whatever. But yeah, it's not bad, it's just maybe too blue for me. So yeah, this will be it for today. It's my birthday today. Turned 54. Yeah, today. So, not the best painting for my birthday. But that's how it is sometimes. Thanks for being here and see you again on the next one. Bye!